are you finding that your LinkedIn connections are unresponsive to your messages and don't even engage on any of your content? In the next few minutes, I will show you the most important thing that will make your connections totally responsive and engage with your content. And this can be achieved in only 15 minutes a day on LinkedIn. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Deborah Ashley, the LinkedIn Black Belt, and I'm also the founder of a LinkedIn consulting and training company. And I apply proven frameworks that I've used in my 20-year marketing career where I helped companies build awareness around their brand. So I'm going to share with you the 3 most important things to do to get more engagement on your LinkedIn post. But first, let's discuss what is engagement on LinkedIn anyway. So when we talk about engagement, it's about the likes and the comments on your post, but mostly the comments. Because likes, while they count for engagement, they're not seen as valuable to the algorithm as comments are. So here are 3 main things I found that you can do to increase your engagement. Number 1, ask a question. So if you want comments, ask a question at the beginning of your post and then ask the same question at the end. Do you notice how I did that above? Okay, number 2, invite discussion. After reading a lot of these posts that just don't get engagement on LinkedIn, one thing stood out for me, and they don't invite discussion. So I'll read a great post and then my response is, okay, so what's the point? So even if I want to comment on the post, I can't figure out what to say beyond, great post, buddy, right? And I want to have meaningful discussions. But many posts just don't make that easy for us to do. So if you're not making it easy for your audience to engage with you by inviting discussion, then implementing just this step alone will completely skyrocket your reach and visibility. All right, number 3, get clear on your audience and their needs. Typically, when I see posts that lack engagement on LinkedIn, the author they don't really know their LinkedIn specific audience. And because they don't know their LinkedIn specific audience, they miss using these triggers that will get the audience to respond. So if you start doing these 3 things consistently on LinkedIn, you ask a question, you invite discussion, and you're crystal clear on the needs and desires of your audience, then you will build a brand presence that's authentic to you, and the algorithm will share your content with more people. And the best part, you become highly visible and attract people who want to work with you because you're standing out as the go-to industry expert. So do you want to put this into practice into your own business? All right, here's how we're going to think about it. If you comment in the chat with the word audit, I will send you a cheat sheet to help you to 10x your engagement on LinkedIn and get 50% more responses to your DM. So comment with the word audit, and what I'll do, I'll send the link to your DM, no email required.